Hey guys, happy Friday. It's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning. I've got a new fun digital plan with me video today in my Teal Multi-Layout Planner, and you'll have to stay tuned to the end to see how it turned out at the end of the week. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, so for this week in my planner, I was working in the Teal Multi-Layout Planner. It's an undated planner, and it's designed for you to mix and match different layouts to create whichever type of spread that you want. So I'm going to start off by pulling in a little mini calendar from a set from the Digital Siren. Such a great little mini calendar set. This is the time of year when everyone's issuing out their little mini calendar sets. I have got to get one in the shop with my own personality to it because they're just so fun and great to add to your planners. And since this is an undated planner, I'm going to use the text tool to create my dates. And once I get one done, then I can just copy and paste it and change the number and copy and paste. Well, I've already copied, but paste it again and change that number. And once I get 3, then I can do 3 at a time to move over to the other side and just renumber it. It's a great way to use a fun font to add, just a little bit of extra, and it's a lot better than my handwriting. And using the text tool or a sticker to number an undated planner is a really fun way to do it. So this is the last one, and we're going to finish up. This is January 18th through the 24th, by the way, if you didn't figure that out. So I'm currently planning in this planner in Note Shelf, and I'm keeping my stickers in GoodNotes. All of my stickers are in GoodNotes, and I'm kind of going back and forth between GoodNotes and Note Shelf as far as planning. I'm going to have to add a part 3 comparison video to my little mini series because I discovered something new about Note Shelf. Well, I mean, it's not new to Note Shelf, it's new to me, but I'll have to follow up with that. Okay, so this is the Be Happy sticker set from LuxBook, and I'm going to start pulling in some stickers from it. And I'm going to grab this rose to throw in the corner of this page. And when I was editing this video, I thought about leaving this part out and editing it out because there was some weird thing, as you can see, where Note Shelf had like this weird little flip out, and it didn't want to zoom out. It was trying to like double up my image, and it was a whole process to try to get it to work. So I decided to leave it in this video so you guys can see that if you have issues with these planning programs, you're not on your own. It happens every once in a while. So what I did is I just closed some of my my planning windows and reopened it, and it worked fine. So it was just some weird thing. I don't know what it was. But I decided to edit down a side of this flower so it can sit flat against the edge of the page. And I think that looks really pretty. And I'm going to go back to GoodNotes and pull in some more stickers from this Be Happy set. And it's, perfect sticker right here. Be happy. I'm just going to resize this a bit. I don't know exactly what I want to do at this point on this corner. I just know I just want decoration down at the bottom. So who doesn't love glitter and sparkles? So let's pull in some of these gold little spots because that's fun. And I like to plan my weeks out. Like I plan daily. But when it comes to the weekend, I really just give myself a to-do list for the weekend and try to get as much stuff done between those 2 days as I can. And so I just, when I'm planning for my weekly spreads, I usually just kind of group those together. So I'm pulling in some of these little paper backgrounds. That first one I pulled in, it was just too light to go on this page, so I didn't like that. So I like this polka dot one. I think it's really fun, and I'm just gonna respace my stickers a little bit so that that works. And what else do I need? I'm gonna pull in, okay, so I'm gonna use the highlight tool, and I took a few tries to figure out what size highlighter I wanted to use, and finally found the right one. And I have it turned on to where it's a straight line. And this just adds just a little bit of color to my days without actually using like another sticker to change out those days. I think that's a fun way to just add some color with just a highlighter. And I really love this highlighter in Note Shelf. I wish GoodNotes had this this like straight line, I guess, just you know, not the rounded end highlighter. Okay, so this is the Study Flow set from LuxBook. I thought I was going to use some of these, but in the end I decided no, I'm going to go with something else. So this is the CoverGirl set from LuxBook. It's probably one of my favorites. Well, it's hard to pick a favorite with LuxBook stickers because, I mean, she has really great stickers. But I still want to use this noted area, so I thought this noted sticker would be really good. That's going to be for like my priorities, like my main points throughout the week. Here's a little tip for you. If you have trouble with, especially with like long stickers in Note Shelf, resizing them, zoom in. Even if you have to like really zoom in and then really zoom in again and then really zoom in again, sometimes with long stickers, if you're zoomed too far out, it won't let you resize them. So that is my tip for these long type of stickers. It's I don't know what it is. I don't know why it does that, but and sometimes when you have the side-by-side view of GoodNotes and Note Shelf, it's a little bit harder to resize your images. So if you make the Note Shelf window bigger and zoom in, it's a little bit easier. Alright, so I'm going to use these cute little paper texture squares to create little reminder boxes on a couple of days and layer those up with these little black tape stickers, and I'll come back and add some white text on top of that, so to say reminders. You'll have to stay tuned to the end to see what the finished week looks like. It turned out really good, if I do say so myself. Alright, so I'm just copying and pasting that same little collection onto Friday that I have on Wednesday. And then I thought I'd add some little squiggles and paint splotches. And one thing I like about Note Shelf that I wish GoodNotes has is the ability to tell it to send it to the back or send it to the front. With GoodNotes, in order to get that same effect, you have to cut and paste your stickers so that you can layer things on top. So since I have these two little boxes that are the same, I thought I would do a similar treatment with the little paint squiggles. So one's dark, one's light, and this Get It Done text I thought was really fun to fill in that space. I think it balances out. I like to try to make my spreads balance if I can, but they always look better at the end of the week anyways. Alright, so this is the Spring Fling freebie from LuxBook. As you can tell, this is a very LuxBook spread. It's not a LuxBook planner, but it is LuxBook stickers almost entirely, except for that Digital Siren one. At the end of the week, I did throw in some more. But, okay, so like I said before, for the weekend, I try to work on just everything all together on the weekend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot this page because it has a paper texture, and I'm going to paste it. And you guys, I didn't notice this until after I was editing this video. When I first pasted it, I couldn't find it, so I zoomed out and did it again, but I realized it's on the right side. You can see it stuck over the edge. It's okay. But so by doing a screenshot and copying and pasting, I get that same paper texture, and it hides my lines. So now the weekend's all one thing. And Here's how it turned out at the end of the week. I love it. I think it was fun. I will see you next time.